my name is Hattie. Welcome back to the One Kid Couple channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 free things you can do when visiting the South Rim Grand Canyon National Park. So if you have an upcoming trip planned, stick around for today's video, it's coming right up. Tip number 1 is to take a walk back in time. Park at Verkamp's Visitor Center and walk to the right to walk along the Trail of Time. This is a 1.4 mile walk to the Yavapai Geology Museum, and along the way you'll see stunning views of the Grand Canyon as well as exhibits of the types of rock that the canyon is made up of. And just a heads up, if you haven't already acclimated to the altitude, you may experience some altitude sickness. For me personally, I had some sickness where I felt a little lightheaded and a little bit dizzy for a few minutes of that walk, so just a heads up on that. Number 2, you can visit an art gallery. Again, if you park at Verkamp's Visitor Center and walk to the left-hand side along the South Rim, just keep walking down until you reach Kolb Studio. Now, Kolb Studio is a Victorian-era family home and a photography studio, and it was built in 1905. It's open every day from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., but make sure to check nps.gov for the most up-to-date information. It currently houses the Kolb Brothers exhibit, which will remain on display through September of 2023. Number 3, take a hike. Starting behind the Kolb Studio, you can hike the Bright Angel Trail. This trail is 12 miles total round trip, and it is not recommended that you hike from the top rim to the bottom rim and back to the top rim in one day. The trail is steep and it's shared by hikers and mules. There is a rest house at mile 1.5, and this is the recommended turnaround for first-time canyon hikers. Also, if you're visiting any time after a snowfall or rain, you may want to consider bringing crampons for your hiking shoes, as the trail can get icy and slippery. Tip number 4 is you can attend a ranger program or a cultural demonstration. Ranger programs are free of charge and family-friendly activities, but children must be accompanied by adults. These programs may include a ranger-led walking tour or just a regular talk about the area. And as a heads up, it does look like the ranger programs are on hold right now, but they will be returning to the park in summer of 2023. And tip number 5, you can ride your bike. So, you can bring your own bike and ride along the rim for 7 miles on Hermit Road. Most of the year, private vehicles are restricted from driving on this road, which eliminates a lot of the traffic. However, shuttles and buses utilize the road. Bicyclists should pull off to the right shoulder, dismount, and let buses pass before continuing on. If you don't bring your own bike, there are bike rentals and guided tours, and I'll link all of that information below. And that's it. Now, we didn't do everything on this list during our visit, but we'd love to hear what you've done. So please leave your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.